Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be making oven baked fish, to be specific tilapia fish, and I'm going to be making it with fried plantain. With no further ado, let's get into the video. For the ingredients, I have fish, plantain, lime, some liquid tomatoes, pepper, bell pepper, onions, mixed spices. I have fish masala, I have salt and olive oil. To season the fish, these are just some like different spices that are mixed together. Add in my olive oil. So you just squeeze the lime all over the fish it helps to take away the smell. And then we come with our ingredients. We put it in these lines. This is our finished marinated fish. I'm going to put it in the oven at 190 degrees. I am making garnish on a side for the fish, so here I'm frying some onions and garlic, adding in some spices. You can always add in spices to your own taste. And then I add in some bell pepper and I add in some tomatoes. You can always add in fresh tomatoes or tinned tomatoes. And I let it cook for some while, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then there you go, you have your garnish ready. So while the tilapia is baking in the oven, I'm going to be frying my plantain here on the side, so that by the time it gets ready, I have my whole fish ready and the side dish ready. So you want to fry your plantain until it's this goldenish on top. So this is the fish, it's done baking. It has been in the oven for around 40 minutes and I've been adding on seasoning every 15 minutes on each side. Here is our finished product. Here is our whole baked fish. As you can see, the tilapia really looks delicious. The plantain came out good with that golden brown color. So thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. See you next time.